first day. I'll miss you. So, ma-miss na ako ang nose. Pero, gusto man dyan ko magpa-enhance since high school pa. We'll see once I result. Today is the day. Paadto na mi sa clinic. Medyo kinakulbaan ako. I hope na ganahan ko sa outcome sa akong nose. So, yeah, 1 hour to go.
Magang-maga pa siya ha, kaya medyo swollen pa yung sa alar area. Pero once mag-subside, papasok lahat yan. Oo, ninipis lahat. Buong area. Natin, no? Ayun lang pa.
So again, rest is a must. So starting now, very important na kuha kayo ng enough rest for full recovery. Any strenuous activities like going to the gym or anything na makakapagod sa atin. Okay? So, ingatan lang natin, yung nose natin, bawal pong matama. I-cold compress na po ha, kasi meron pa yung konting bleeding sa loob. So, cold compress here. 3 times a day or 5 times a day. When you do your cold and warm compress, so again, cold compress tayo first 48 hours, so starting tonight until Monday night. Then starting Tuesday, warm compress, so that's onwards. Meaning, starting Tuesday hanggang sa mawala yung pamamaga, yung swelling natin.
Welcome to the new nose, first day. Anong nafe-feel niyo ngayon?
Happy, finally, after how many years. It's a dream come true. Wow.
Ay, Dad. Sige. Sir, ito yung guide mo. So, everything that I discussed earlier, it's all written here. If you have any questions, tanong lang, or you can message us naman ako sa Viber or sa any channels na kung saan mo kami kausap. So, as discussed, pahinga, sir, very important. Bawal magbuhat ng mabibigat kasi baka ma-pressure tayo. May swelling, may bleeding. So, expecting natin yan after surgery. Kaya, pahinga. Pwede maglakad-lakad, sir. Baka na matulog ka lang. Joke lang. Maglakad-lakad konti, ganyan. And then, huwag na masyadong magpapawis, sir, kasi baka mabasa yung sugat. And then, again, bawal mabasa yung sugat. So, bawal muna tayo mag-wash ng face. So, after 7 days na lang, after na removal ng cancer, ha? And then, apply na tayo cool and warm compress because of the swelling and the bleeding. Pero, ang focus natin first 2 days is yung bleeding. That's why cold compress muna. 5 times a day. Yan. At least 5 times a day. But mas frequent, much better. Dito sa my forehead and then sa cheeks. On the 3rd day, which is on Tuesday, ano na tayo? Warm compress na tayo, sir. We assume that by that time, wala nang bleeding. Kaya ang focus natin is yung swelling. Pero bawal mabasa, kaya preferred natin if gamitan nyo ng ice bath. Huwag yung towel, sir, ha? Kasi mababasa. Ayan. So, do not wash your face, do not remove cast for 7 days. When washing your hair, dry shampoo lang po muna. Again, pwede maligo, neck down. Okay? Then, do not be alarmed by the bleeding, as mentioned nga po. Clean the sutures with the Q-tip. So, andito naman na, sir, yung pinuro ko naman kanina yung paglilinis. So, you have your Q-tips here. Kung maubusan, sir, meron naman ito sa mga drugstore. Then, you have your Pangilinis, the saline. You have your betadine. And the ointment. So, again, yan yung pagkakasunod-sunod. Yun tatanong.
Tama, nakalimutan ko. Ito, lalagyan na ng betadine, right?
No. Kasi hindi mo siya gagalawin until we remove it on the 3rd day. Yung sugat lang sa nose. Okay? Kahit bukas na, pag matanggal mo na yung nasal pa. Lilinisin mo lang siya if kailangan mo siyang palitan tonight or tomorrow morning. Pero pag tinagal mo na siya, after 24 hours, so that's tomorrow around 3 p.m., tsaka mo na siya lilinis.
Pati yung nilagay mo sa loob, mag-change speed ako.
No need naman, sir. Once you remove it tomorrow on the 24th hour, so like 3 p.m. ngayon, 3 p.m. bukas,
Okay na yan.
mo, no need na mag-apply.
Okay.
Mamaya lang, if yung nasoak siya with blood, pag punong-puno. Pero if mabot na tayo sa 24 hours na walang pagdudugo, just remove it and then start cleaning na po the wound. Okay, so again, you have your needle, Uncap na po yung bottom, tusok yung nila. Yun na siya. So, yun yung pagkakasunod-sunod, sir. Again, starting Tuesday, no need for betadine. Itabi mo na si betadine on Tuesday. And then for your medications, you have your antibiotics. Inumin po to every 8 hours for 7 days. Okay. So, completed po yan. And then, paracetamol, sir, every 6 hours for pain. Inumin yung sir, kahit ano pang masakit. Naiwasan na lang din natin. And then, tranexamic acid for the bleeding. Para hindi tayo masyadong madugo. Consume mo lang to, sir. Pag naubos mo, okay na tayo. Every 8 hours po yan. Ayan. So, again, sa food, bawal naman tayo sa malalansang pagkain, like chicken, seeds, and eggs. Easy to chew, easy to swallow foods. Para hindi tayo masyado nguya at hindi masyado mababalas yung movies natin. Again, if you have any questions, sir, message lang po kayo sa akin.
Pwede na mag-face mask.
Yes, you can wear face mask o baka hindi siya gumanon.
True.
Pwede naman, sabihan mo lang kami kung mahirapan ka lagyan ng tape sa likod. Okay?
Okay lang yan.
And you can now have your ice coffee.
Hi guys, so here's an update with my nose. Natanggal na ang bandage ako ang ears. Dugay daw ang healing sa ako ang columella. An update with my nose. As you can see, grabe naka-oily. Though nagami sa lower water ko, pero di pa siya enough. Hihihi. Hi guys, so tomorrow is my cast removal and yeah, di pa makagala because of my cast and maga pa siya. We'll see tomorrow if anong sasabihin ni Doc Pat about my healing journey. Today is the day. Tanggalo nang ako ang cast. Excited.
Punasan ko muna sir, medyo sticky siya because of the tape. Linisin ko lang po sa mga nose natin. Sorry sir. Medyo tiis-tiis tayo sa part na yun sir. Previously you're taking Cormoxiclav, right? So, tuloy lang natin yun. Magbibigyan lang tayo ng another set for 7 days. Pero this time every 12 hours na lang.
12 hours.
Apo. So, from 8 hours, mayroon pa natira.
Wala na.
At
Parang tapos na ata.
kahapon.
Kanina.
Kanina, okay. So, after 12 hours or mamayang gabi, start mo yung ibigay namin na mga medications. But this time, every 12 hours lang. So, parang tayo sa Adiniraxor. And then, bigyan kita ng another mipirocin for wound care. And tapes. Kasi si tape pa rin natin yung dito at saka sa tape. Okay?
Nose update. Natanggal na talaga. Maga pa siya now. But sabi ni Doc, mga 6 months to 1 year magsasubside yung pagkamaga. And doon makikita yung real result. So I'm just waiting for December 2026 para sa real result ng nose ko. We're going home na. And as you can see, nagpa-hair color ako. Thanks Herticulture. Oh. Bago na dito ay siya.
D1, Rodigal, Miss Erica Salmoro, and Miss Daisy Urbana. Yes, viewer